Car Power Steering Fluid ensures smooth steering, reduces friction, protects components, and improves overall steering system performance. My today's video is about top 5 best car power steering fluid that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Valvoline Car Power Steering Fluid. Valvoline Power Steering Fluid is a reliable product designed to support proper auto and truck maintenance. Manufactured in the United States, it reflects Valvoline's long-standing reputation for producing high-quality automotive fluids. This power steering fluid helps maintain smooth and responsive steering by reducing friction within the steering system and protecting important components from wear. Regular use of a quality power steering fluid like Valvoline can help extend the life of the steering pump and other related parts, ensuring consistent and dependable performance while driving. It also helps prevent noise, stiffness, and potential damage caused by insufficient lubrication. Suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including cars and trucks, this fluid is designed to keep the power steering system operating efficiently under different driving conditions. Overall, Valvoline Power Steering Fluid is a dependable choice for drivers who want to maintain their vehicle's steering performance and ensure long-term reliability. Now our second product is Valvoline Car Power Steering Fluid. This power steering fluid is designed to deliver reliable performance while protecting your vehicle's steering system. Its engineered stop leak formula helps condition and rejuvenate worn seals, effectively reducing existing leaks and preventing future fluid loss. By restoring seal flexibility, it supports smoother and more responsive steering over time. The fluid also offers strong long-term durability by protecting key steering components from wear and tear. This helps extend the life of the power steering pump and other system parts, even under demanding driving conditions. In addition, its anti-foaming and oxidation-resistant formula keeps the fluid stable, preventing foam formation and breakdown that could affect steering performance. Another advantage is its seal conditioning capability, which helps restore aging seals and reduces cracking that often leads to leaks. Suitable for systems meeting GM, Chrysler, and Ford specifications, this fluid provides dependable protection and consistent steering performance. Overall, it's a practical choice for maintaining a clean, efficient, and long-lasting power steering system. Our third product is Lubiguard Car Power Steering Fluid. This fully synthetic power steering fluid is designed to deliver reliable performance and long-lasting protection for modern vehicles. It is specifically formulated for use in all Honda and Acura power steering systems, including 2007 and newer models that require a fully synthetic formula. It is also suitable for 2012 and newer Ford Super Duty vehicles that require Ford high-temperature power steering fluid. Motorcraft XL22. One of its key benefits is superior anti-wear protection, which helps reduce friction inside the steering system and extends the life of the power steering unit. By minimizing internal wear, it helps maintain smooth and responsive steering over time. The fluid is effective across a wide range of temperatures, ensuring consistent performance in both hot and cold driving conditions. Additionally, it contains no seal swellers, helping maintain the integrity of seals and system components. Overall, this power steering fluid is a dependable choice for maintaining optimal steering performance and protecting critical system parts. Now number 4, Zato Car Power Steering Fluid. This power steering additive is designed to restore and enhance your vehicle's steering system for a smoother, quieter, and more responsive driving experience. It effectively eliminates pump howl and other operational noises caused by wear, reducing vibration and ensuring a more comfortable ride. The formula is engineered to revitalize and repair worn power steering components, extending the life of your hydraulic system and helping prevent costly replacements. Drivers can notice a significant improvement in steering performance within just 50 hours, 950 miles, of use, with reduced steering effort and enhanced responsiveness. Additionally, it protects crucial parts even when fluid levels are low, maintaining system efficiency and reducing wear over time. The precise dosage chart ensures that the correct amount is used for your vehicle's oil system, maximizing effectiveness and longevity. Overall, this additive is a practical solution for restoring worn steering systems, improving handling, minimizing noise, and keeping your vehicle's power steering operating smoothly for the long term. And our last choice is Valvoline Car Power Steering Fluid. Valvoline Auto Truck Maintenance Fluids are a trusted choice for keeping vehicles in top condition. Manufactured in the United States, these products reflect Valvoline's commitment to quality and reliability, making them ideal for everyday car and truck care. Designed to support proper maintenance, Valvoline fluids help ensure smooth engine performance, protect critical components, and extend the lifespan of your vehicle. Whether for routine oil changes, transmission care, or other fluid needs, they provide dependable performance and consistent results. Valvoline's reputation for high-quality manufacturing means drivers can trust these products to meet rigorous standards, giving peace of mind that their vehicles are receiving the protection they need. Easy to use and compatible with a wide range of cars and trucks, they help maintain optimal performance while reducing wear and tear on essential systems. Overall, Valvoline Auto Truck Maintenance Fluids are a reliable, high-quality choice for anyone looking to keep their vehicle running smoothly and efficiently over the long term. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.